Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com. And I'm super excited as I have a brand new card class for you. Now this one is the Santa's Delivery card class to go. And it features the Santa's Express suite from Stampin' Up. Now all of the cards are foam folds. I am very excited with how all of them turn out. In particular, I love this one because it has a really wow factor. Now when you see it from the outside, it doesn't have a lot of a wow. But when you open it up, it has a pop-up train. Definitely love how this card turned out. All of the cards are really cute and all of them have something special, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna love them. So now let me just talk a little bit about the two options that I have. Option one is for those of you who want to get the make and take kit to make all 5 cards. Now the kit will have everything that is embossed, cut out, except like these things, because you're going to be using it from your designer series paper, but like the ovals are going to be done, any sort of labels, any embossing, all of that will be cut out. So anyway, this option also includes a half of a pack of the Santa's Express Designer Series paper, which is this one. This is the one where all the different elements are going to come out for your cards. You're also going to have a pack of the adhesive back stars, which we're going to be using as well. Also, you're going to be getting a pack of the real red and white glimmer paper, and then of course you're going to be getting a spool of the crinkle same binding ribbon in the Whisper White. So anyway, so all of these, of course you're also going to be getting a PDF with the pictures of the cards, as well as the measurements, a full supply list, and the links to each of the different video tutorials for each of the cards. Now I do video tutorials mainly because I feel I can show you better how everything is done, especially for like a fun fold class. Definitely you need to make sure how it's fold, how it's made, right? So I always feel like video tutorials is an easy way for me to explain how it's done, plus you get a lot more tips as to how to put it together rather than writing it. I'm not really good at the writing, so I definitely feel the video tutorial is the way to go with me. So anyway, so this option is $49 plus $9 shipping. And again, you get the kit, all the other supplies, a PDF, the video tutorials. And so if you are interested in that option, please make sure to email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, because that way I can send you the registration link. By policy, I cannot put it on the description of this video, but I can send you the registration link when you email me. Another thing that you can do is, if you go to the description of this video, you can go and see where it says bit.ly/stay in touch with Abby to get into my mailing list. That way you get all the information about upcoming classes. Anytime I release a new class, you'll be one of the first ones to get the registration link, and then you also get all the reminders to make sure that you sign up to any of those classes. Additionally, I do share a weekly card class, so definitely I feel like there's a lot of perks of being on my mailing list. So anyway, if you're interested in that, make sure again sign up to the mailing list so that you can get the registration link. If you're interested in this particular card class, make sure you email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that I can send you the link to register. Now, one other thing to make sure you know is that for this card class, you definitely need to have the Santa's Delivery bundle. You can see it here. And because you're going to be die cutting all the different trains with these, you're also going to be using all the different sentiments from this one. So definitely it is a great set to have. And of course, you're going to be using all the fumes for the little train. So anyway, so if you don't have this set, don't worry. I'll have on my registration link an option for you to add it on. And if you add it on, then I'll put it on your kit when I mail the classes. All right, so now so that's option one. Now option two is for those for you who already have all the materials, and you might be from outside the United States, or you might be a fellow demonstrator who already have all of these but only wants the instructions. If that is you, you can have that. You can get the tutorial at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here a link as well to it. Also in the description, you can see it. That way, you go to my tutorial store, you can see which other class I have. If you want to get this one, by all means go ahead and grab it. It's $20. And as soon as you purchase it, you get a downloadable link as well as an email for you to download the class. So anyway, I hope to see you inside this class. I'm very excited with how all the projects turn out. I feel like you're going to love them. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.